Imagine standing on the shore of a vast, endless ocean. You toss a message in a bottle hoping someone, somewhere, will find it. The Voyager 1 spacecraft is that bottle, our message to the cosmos. Launched in 1977, it was a bold leap, a testament to our curiosity and desire to reach beyond Earth. We sent it not knowing what it would find, or if anyone would ever find it. This small vessel, no bigger than a car, was propelled by our best technology and our deepest hopes. Voyager was more than a machine, it was a fragment of humanity, venturing into the unknown. Space is harsh, filled with radiation, dust, and the cold of absolute zero. Many missions had failed before, but Voyager was built to last. It was our most ambitious attempt to touch the universe, to see and hear what we could not reach ourselves. For decades it traveled farther from home, sending back glimpses from the edge of our understanding. It became the most distant human-made object, a lonely sentinel in the dark. We listened for its faint whispers, signals crossing billions of miles. Its journey was quiet, patient, and enduring, a symbol of our relentless quest for knowledge. Voyager carried our story into the cosmic ocean, waiting for the day it might reach a distant shore. It was our way of saying, we are here, we are alive, we are thinking. Against the infinite blackness, Voyager was a spark of human ingenuity. It sailed on, a silent messenger on an endless sea. Its endurance became a story of hope and wonder. And so, our bottle drifts, waiting for a reply from the cosmic ocean. Before Voyager became an interstellar traveler, it had a mission close to home, the Grand Tour. A rare planetary alignment allowed one spacecraft to visit the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager 1 transformed our understanding of Jupiter in 1979, revealing the Great Red Spot as a raging storm and discovering Jupiter's faint rings. It found active volcanoes on Io, proof that our solar system was more dynamic than we imagined. 2 years later, Voyager reached Saturn, unveiling the ring's intricate structure, and studying Titan's thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. These discoveries rewrote textbooks and expanded our cosmic perspective. The images Voyager sent back captivated the world, uniting us in wonder. For a moment, we were all explorers, traveling alongside this brave little spacecraft. Voyager's primary mission was a stunning success, but its journey was far from over. It had become more than a probe. It was humanity's outstretched hand to the universe. The adventure was just beginning. Voyager's odyssey had only started to reveal the mysteries of the cosmos. Its greatest adventure still lay ahead. The story of Voyager was far from finished. As Voyager 1 left the planets behind, its path would take it out of the solar system, perhaps for billions of years. Carl Sagan and the mission team decided to send a message, the Golden Record. This gold-plated phonograph holds 115 images, greetings in 55 languages, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry. It's a portrait of Earth. Our cities, our nature, our heartbeat, our laughter. The record's cover includes diagrams showing how to play it and our location in the galaxy. It's a time capsule, a hopeful invitation to any intelligence that might find it. The Golden Record is both art and science, a testament to our desire to connect. Voyager carries this echo of humanity as it drifts into the silent expanse between the stars. It is our greeting, our story, and our hope, cast into the cosmic ocean. Voyager's journey became a message. We are here, and we want to be known. For decades, Voyager 1 journeyed into the unknown, crossing the heliopause in 2012 and entering interstellar space, the first human-made object to do so. Its radio signal, faint and distant, took over 22 hours to reach Earth. Scientists listened patiently, receiving data about the space between stars. The mission became a quiet vigil, a study in patience and persistence. But on July 15, 2025, something changed. During a routine data download, scientists noticed a strange pattern in Voyager's signal, a sequence that didn't belong. At first they suspected a glitch or interference. Voyager's technology is ancient, and malfunctions are expected. But diagnostics showed everything was normal. The anomaly persisted, and it was real. The signal was coming from Voyager 1, 16 billion miles away. It was unlike anything seen before, a whisper that broke the long silence. Excitement and apprehension filled the control room. The long, quiet voyage had suddenly become very interesting. Voyager, our silent messenger, had brought home a new mystery. The universe had whispered back. The team worked around the clock, determined to understand the new signal. It wasn't random noise or a simple beep. It had a complex mathematical structure, almost musical. Embedded within Voyager's normal data, it seemed as if something had hijacked the transmitter. All systems were normal, the anomaly wasn't a malfunction. The signal was external, something Voyager was detecting and relaying. Triangulation confirmed it was coming from Voyager's location in interstellar space. This was no local interference, no satellite, it was a message from the void. The scientists moved from troubleshooting to confronting a profound cosmic puzzle. Decades of old data showed nothing like it. The phenomenon was new, starting July 15, 2025. The world was not yet told, but the team knew this could change everything. The signal continued, a structured musical whisper from 16 billion miles away. The initial shock gave way to awe. They were the first to hear this sound, a message that had traveled for more than 22 hours. What was it trying to say? The universe had sent a riddle and humanity was listening. The search for answers had begun. Voyager's journey had entered a new chapter. The cosmos was no longer silent. The message was clear, something extraordinary had happened. The discovery was breathtaking because interstellar space is almost perfectly empty, a vacuum with barely an atom per cubic centimeter. Sound can't travel there, but electromagnetic waves can. Yet for such a structured signal to arise naturally is almost unthinkable. Pulsars and quasars produce simple, repetitive signals, not complex, melodic patterns. This was a symphony, not a simple tune. Scientists were baffled. Nothing in our models predicted such a phenomenon. Voyager is truly alone. No planets, stars, or nebulae nearby. For it to encounter such a signal was like finding a handwritten poem on a deserted island. The discovery forced us to confront the limits of our knowledge. Perhaps space is filled with things we cannot yet see, governed by rules we have not discovered. The Voyager signal challenged our understanding of the cosmos. The universe had whispered a secret, and we were lucky enough to hear it. As news of the signal spread, scientists raced to explain it. Some proposed Voyager had passed through a cosmic string, an ultra-dense remnant from the Big Bang, vibrating and creating structured waves. Others suggested dark matter, perhaps exotic particles interacted to produce the signal, offering a glimpse into the universe's hidden side. Another theory pointed to unknown plasma physics, complex self-organizing waves in the interstellar medium. Even a rare natural phenomenon would revolutionize astrophysics. And then, the most profound idea, the signal, was artificial. Had Voyager's golden record been found? Was this a reply from another intelligence? The possibility sent chills through the scientific community. The question was ancient. Are we alone? Now we had reason to wonder anew. The confirmation and public release of the Voyager signal on July 19, 2025, sent a shockwave across the globe. It's a moment as historic as the first steps on the moon. The discovery changes our relationship with the cosmos. We are no longer alone in the silence. Whether natural or artificial, the signal reveals something fundamentally new about the universe. It will inspire new science, new missions, and a new generation of explorers. The news has united people in awe, sparking a global conversation about our place in the universe. Art, music, and literature are already being inspired by this whisper from the stars. The challenge of understanding the signal will require global collaboration. The Voyager signal is not an endpoint, but a starting line. It marks the beginning of a new chapter in the human story. We are now true participants in the cosmic ocean. The journey has only just begun. The universe has invited us to listen and to respond. Voyager 1 was launched as a testament to human curiosity, an act of pure exploration. For nearly half a century, it was our silent messenger, a symbol of our reach exceeding our grasp. We never expected it to hear a song, but the universe is full of surprises. Voyager is now a bridge between the known and the unknown. The cosmos is not a dead, empty stage, it is alive with mystery. The signal reminds us that our knowledge is a small island in a vast ocean. The true gift is the question itself, the mystery that drives us forward. It inspires our science, our art, and our sense of wonder. The search for answers will define us for generations. We tossed a bottle into the cosmic ocean hoping for a reply. Now the ocean has sung back. Voyager has given us the greatest gift, the realization that when we listen, the universe sometimes responds, and its voice is more beautiful and mysterious than we ever dreamed.